Tropic of Cancer Landmark, 1921. Water paper. This is a kind of watercolor sketch. The whole painting is less than that of size A4 paper. Usually, for an outdoor sketch, one could use a speed writing book without a drawing racket or drawing board, and then add some light colors later. Technically, this painting looked somewhat like the way Kinichiro Ishikawa drew his lighter watercolor works. That is to say, on the landmark, we can see the pencil markings that the painter used when sketching and making the lines thicker. The only difference is that Mr. Chen's coloring was denser. Mr. Chen taught at Shui-shang Elementary School after graduating from National Taipei Teachers College, and the school he taught at was nearby the Tropic of Cancer. Therefore, he naturally chose this landmark of Chiayi City as a main subject for one of his landscape sketches. The landmark was originally built by Japanese with brick and cement for the celebration of Taiwan's first north-south railway. Later on, the landmark had been reconstructed several times because the angle of the landmark had continuously been revised. This painting was portrayed after a typhoon in 1917, when the Japanese rebuilt it using bamboo as its major building material. The painter intended to show the quality of the bamboo by repeatedly using a pencil for more detailed description instead of using a brush. In the center, there was a country road with some newly planted trees on both sides of it. The landmark is located in the middle of the countryside with grass surrounding it. Mr. Chen used the technique of transplant watercolor, which he had learned from Kinichiro Ishikawa. He displayed it in this picture through the path in the field, which grew smaller and smaller until vanishing into the foot of the mountain, thus conveying feelings of far and deep perspective. Going through Taiwan, there are 3 landmarks for the Tropic of Cancer at Tai Route 1, Tai Route 9, and Tai Route 11, respectively. Among them, the most famous is located at the border between Shui-shang Township and Chiayi City. It has been reconstructed 6 times since the time of Japanese rule. Miniature-size models of the previous 5 are also displayed there. The Sun Building, shaped like a flying saucer, was built in 2001. The building has become an extremely fascinating view at night for Chiayi City.